It's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Sure, you need a car for every day, but not one that looks like every other car. You want more. A car with conveniences like a rear-view camera and OnStar with 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and safety features like StabiliTrak. What you want is a car that amps up your outings, date night, even errands. A car with a turbocharged engine, Bluetooth, and Chevrolet MyLink with touchscreen. Lucky for you, what you need and what you want are right here. Turn heads and take corners in this Cruze. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.